Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about what to do if you don't have enough time to take the Enema series or even a single enema. The Enema series is a 3-step process that is done consecutively. The first enema in the series you use our made for enema soap with either frankincense and myrrh or chamomile and clary sage, which is very rich in butyrate acid, which is the main fuel for the mucosal lining of the colon to rebuild and repair itself. The second enema in the series is the sea salt, which helps with electrolyte balance in the colon, and that is mixed with our essential oil blend, which is a mix of oils that optimize the microbiome of the colon. If those are the first two, and then the third one is the coffee enema. So those are great to do, but if you don't have enough time for all three, you can either do a variation on the Enema series, or I'll give you some ideas about supplements to take. If you're doing the enemas for constipation relief and you don't have enough time for the whole Enema series, you can just use our made for enema goat milk soap and do either one of those, or you can do 2 of the goat milk soaps in a row actually. Or you can do the goat milk soap and you can do the sea salt and colon cleanse essential oil blend back to back. The other option is if you don't have any time to take the enema, you can actually use our bowel management program, which is 4 different supplements that all have a bowel tolerance. They all will give you loose stool or diarrhea if you take too many of any one of them. So I found that if you use them together collectively, they offer tremendous therapeutic benefit, and they also optimize bowel flow. Those 4 supplements are vitamin C, Ortho biotic probiotic, digestive enzyme Endo-Met GB-3, and the 4th one is magnesium. So those, again, all work synergistically together to optimize your bowel flow if you don't have enough time for enemas. If you're doing enemas for detoxification and you don't have enough time, you do have other options than the full Enema series. So one thing to think about with this is that you never want to do a coffee enema with stool in the lower colon. So you always want to clear out the lower colon before you do a coffee enema. So either use one of the first 2 enemas in the series, either the soap or the sea salt and colon cleanse essential oil blend, and then follow that up with the coffee enema. Or take the coffee enema after you've had a bowel movement. Again, it's really important not to put the coffee in the colon when there's stool in the colon, in the low colon. Another option, if you just want the benefits of detoxification but you have no time at all, is you can either use Tri-Fortify Liposomal Glutathione, because that's one of the things the coffee enema does, is raise the glutathione levels. Or you can use our coffee enema essential oils in a suppository in the colon to, again, raise your glutathione levels and also assist the body to empty the colon. So those are great ideas for detoxification when you don't have the time to do the full Enema series. If you have any questions or need any kind of support about enemas, about relieving constipation, about detoxification, do reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com. You can even set up a consultation with me, and I can help you to individualize your program to optimize your health. Our phone number is 608-242-0200, and we would love to hear from you.